everyone, this is Sushmita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do this Indian everyday makeup look which you can do almost every day because why not? So when I say it's an everyday makeup look, that means you can wear it every day because it's light, it's dewy and it's very subtle. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video right away. So I'm gonna start my makeup with a primer, and the primer I'm using today is from Lakme. This is slightly a tinted primer, but it will give you a very beautiful blurred and smooth base. Next we will move on to foundation. For foundation today I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Satin Finish Foundation. As I mentioned, I'm going to do a dewy finish look. This is just perfect for that. First I'll apply it all over my face with the help of my finger so that it will be easier for me to blend. Then I will use a makeup sponge to blend it out. This is a medium coverage foundation and it's great for everyday use. You can still see my dark spots going on somewhere here and a little over here. I think that's completely okay for an everyday purpose. So yeah, I have kept it that way. Next, I'm going to quickly move on to concealer. I'm going to use something that is a little bit more full coverage than the foundation. So I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And I'm going to quickly apply it under my eyes and on the areas where I want to highlight. And then I will blend them with the same beauty sponge. So once my concealer is done, I will quickly set my face. I'm going to set my face with K Beauty by Katrina setting powder. I'll take the product in a fluffier brush and I will set my under eyes first and then the rest of my face. After I set my face, I'm going to use a bronzer, and for that I'm going to use Wet n Wild Hot Shady Beach bronzer. I'm going to go very light-handed with the bronzer and apply it on the hollows of my cheek. I am also applying a little bit amount on my forehead and also my jawline so that my makeup would look more cohesive. Now I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera and I will be back. Alright, so I'm back with my brows on. Next we will move on to my eye makeup. Since I'm doing an everyday Indian makeup look, I thought I would put on some heavy kajal, but I'm gonna keep my eyelids subtle. So let's just get started with my eye makeup. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It's a very beautiful palette with gorgeous colors, but I'm going to play with some natural tone colors over here, like some browns and coffee and chocolate colors. So yeah. So I'm going to start with the shade Henna over here and I'm going to apply it all over my lids as my transition shade. First I'll apply it all over my lid up until my crease line and then nicely blend it towards the brow bone. I'm not going to apply it way up to the brow bone. I'm going to keep it little less than that, like little lower than that. Now that my transition is done, I'm going to move on to this shade over here, which is called Cocoa, which is a dark brown shade, and I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes so that my eyes would have a little definition. And I'm using the dome brush so that I will be able to apply a concentrated amount, then I will blend it. So basically I'm applying it over here on the outer view of my eyes, which is this part of my eyes. And then I will give it a nice shape, a lifted shape. So next I'm going to buff a little amount towards the inner part of my eyes, like towards the lid of my eyes. And whatever is is left on my brush, I'm going to apply it on my crease only so that my crease would look more defined. Next up, I will take a clean fluffier brush and I will buff the edges so that I will have no harsh lines anywhere. Either you can do small circular motion to buff it off like this, or you can go back and forth with a very soft hand so that you will be able to blend it nicely. I think I need to define my eyes a little more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this black shade over here and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes like we did previously. So once that's done, I'm going to blend it, but I'm going to blend it with this small brush because this has some brown colors left in it, and black and brown will merge together and would look more blended. I'm not going to blend it outward because it will make it worse. So what I will do is I will nicely blend it right there. I will just blend it with the brown and I will keep it there. And again I'm going to use the same plain brush and buff the edges nice and slow, small circular motions as I have mentioned. It's pretty much done, and for my lower lash line I'm going to use this shade Cocoa. Okay, now I'll quickly do my other eye makeup and I will be back. Okay, so my other eye makeup is done. I'm gonna move on to some kajal right now. And for that I'm going to use Faces Canada Magnet Eye Kajal. So what I believe is when it comes to Indian makeup look, kajal enhances the beauty the most. I usually don't apply a lot of kajal under my lower lash line, but today we are going a little heavy handed. So instead of liner, today I'm going to apply kajal. Next, with the help of a flat brush, I'm going to take the black color from the palette and just dab it on top of the kajal so that it wouldn't really smudge or move around. Alright, so that's done. Next we will move on to mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to use Rimmel London Candle Eye Mascara. Okay, so my makeup is almost complete. Now we will move on to blush and some lipstick. For my blush, I'm not going to use any powder blush today, but instead I'm going to use this liquid matte lipstick from NYX. It's a beautiful pink shade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take tiny amount on my hand and then I will add a little amount of MAC stroke cream to it and I'm going to mix it together. So when it comes to everyday makeup look, I do not apply blush, especially powder blush. I like to apply some liquid lipstick or maybe some tinted balm. So our DIY blush is ready. I'm not going to apply it with my hand because my foundation might move around. What I will do is I'm going to use my sponge to apply it. I'm going to take on the back of my sponge and then so this way it does not feel heavy, and on top of that it gives you a nice glow. And next for lipstick I'm going to use MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Meher. Okay, my makeup is almost complete. Now I'm going to set my face with NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Finally, I'll do my hair and put on some accessories and I will be back. Alright, so that is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Do let me know that in the comment section down below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Suj. Bye.